welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you how to make this creepy, easy, haunting zombie look right here. It was so easy, and if you guys would like to know how I got this look and see how I did it, stay tuned. So right now I am going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to be using Venetine Red in this palette. I'm just using this in the crease of my eye. It's just to help make that bruise look. So I'm going to be using this. I'm just going to go back and forth like a windshield wiper. And I'm also going to be contouring my nose with this shade. I'm going to be doing my regular contour with this, you know, my nose, my forehead, my cheekbones, and my neck. So I will be doing that. I'm using a bigger, just a bigger brush right now. It's my blending brush I'm using just to help with it, because the little blending brush I was using wasn't working for my face. So I just went in with that, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just contouring right now. Now I'm going in with a gray color, a gray shade. I'm just going over everything that I put the red on, and my crease, my contouring my nose, and contouring my forehead, and you know, my whole face. I'm just doing the same exact thing, but just with the gray color. I know it looks kind of harsh right now, but don't worry, we're going to go back in with our big blending brush, and we're just going to blend it in to make it not look so harsh. Now I'm also going to be blending in the red color, my red Venetine color, and the gray color, and I'm just going to be putting this on my lower, the bottom of my eye to get that dead look, that you know, zombie dead look. So I'm just mixing the red and the gray, and I'm also putting that mixing the red and the gray to put it on the lid of my eye, you know, because I want it to look dead. I'm going to be putting the same exact colors on the outer part of my nose to look sunken in. The whole point of this is to look dead and to look everything to be sunken in, like, you know, to look dead. So that's why I'm contouring like this. So I'm also using right now I'm using the black eyeshadow. I'm using this very lightly. I'm going to be putting all the areas that I put the gray and the red, and just to make it more hollow and more dead. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this in the exact same areas that I put the red and the gray. Putting the black eyeshadow in my crease and under my waterline right here, just to create that sunken in look in my eyes. So I'm just going to be blending it from my crease to the lower lash line. I'm going to be taking some tissue. I'm just going to be ripping it up to my liking, just to make it look jagged, and also placing it on my face to see if it's too big or if it's the way I like it. And if it is, I'm just going to put some glue, latex glue on my face, and just start placing it. Now this latex glue was so strong, you guys, it made my eyes water the instant I put it on my face. Oh my gosh, it was so strong, like I couldn't even take it. So right now I'm just putting the tissue on my face, and I'm just making it, ripping the edges so it can look a little jagged, you know, because I just got bitten. See, right now, like, oh my gosh, you're so strong. So I'm just placing the tissue on my face, and then the latex, and then I'm ripping the ends to make it look like it's, you know, jagged to make it look like I just got bitten. So that's what I'm doing. I think I did like 4 layers of this. So first you're going to use the latex glue, put the tissue, and go so on and so forth. And then just the last thing you would do, just put the latex glue on your face and let it dry, and then move on to the next area. So now I'm letting my face dry. I'm going to be starting on my neck. It's going to be the same process, you guys. The same thing I did on my face, I will be doing on my neck. So now that the latex have dried, I am going to be using a pair of tweezers just to poke a hole in the middle of the wound, and you know, to make that bite look. So I'm just trying to create a hole. You can make it as big as you want. So that's what I'm doing right now. And as I'm tearing it up, I'm trying to make it the outside look like skin. If you can see that right there, I'm just gonna take it and like pull it to make it look like it's skin right there. I would advise you to just be careful, you guys, because you know this is you can poke yourself, like for real. Like just be very gentle with yourself and be patient. So yeah, I'm just making a hole in the middle. So now that I have created my holes, I'm going to be taking a black eyeliner and just filling in the hole. You can use whatever you want, any kind of face paint, black paint, you know. I'm just using a black eyeliner. That's what's working for me. So I'm just going to be filling in the holes right now. So right now I'm using a sponge to put a little bit of my foundation on it to cover up the white of the tissue, so it can look like my skin. So I'm just going to use the foundation and just use the sponge to pat that all over. So now I'm going to be taking my blending brush and using the shades Black, Gray, and my Vetnin Red, and I'm just going to be putting it all over the room to make it look like dirty and bruised and like, you know, that dead skin. So I'm just going to be shading it all over the room, like the outside of the room. Now I'm going to be taking this zombie blood and I'm just going to be filling in the wound with this blood. I got this zombie blood at Walmart for $1.98. I'm just going to be filling in the bite mark and also stretching the inside to make it look like that ripped skin. So that's what I'm doing right here. So the skin can look real and ripped. And I'm also going to be placing the blood outside of the wound so it can look, you know, real and bloody. Now I'm going to be taking some more blood just to make it look like the wound or the bite mark is bleeding from the inside. And yes, I just spilled some of that. But yeah, I'm just going to put it like in inside and make it drip so it looks like it's the wound is still bleeding. And right now I'm going to use the 3 shades that I used, which is black, gray, and red, to make it look bruised, so I can put like another like gash mark on my forehead. So I put the shades, and then I'm going to put the blood right here, just so it can look, you know, like a gash mark. And I'm also going to be putting those 3 shades on the outer part of my mouth to make it look, you know, dead. And I'm also be putting blood at the end of my mouth. You can put it all over if you want. I just want it to look like I just bit someone. And now I'm going to also shading around that blood so it can look bruised. And that is it, you guys. After that, I am going to be putting some foundation on my lips to make me look even more dead, and put in my contacts. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye.